Hey there, health enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered why protein is so important for our bodies? Well, today, we're diving into the world of proteins, our muscles' best friends, and so much more. Protein is the fuel our muscles need to grow and repair themselves. But that's not all. It also plays a vital role in many of our body's functions. And guess what? Protein isn't just found in meat. Yep, there are tons of foods packed with this essential macronutrient. First, let's talk about the difference between animal and plant proteins. Animal proteins, like those found in lean meats, fish, and eggs, are usually complete. This means they have all the essential amino acids our bodies need. On the other hand, plant proteins, found in foods like legumes, tofu, and quinoa, may lack some amino acids, but they're still super important and healthy. Now let's look at some examples of protein-rich foods. On the animal side, we have chicken, salmon, and eggs. And on the plant side, let's not forget lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. So, how can we include more protein in our daily meals? Here are some practical tips. Add legumes to your salads for an extra protein boost. Try Greek yogurt for breakfast. It's delicious and nutritious. Incorporate quinoa into your dishes as a protein-packed side dish. Remember, eating enough protein is key to maintaining good health and energy throughout the day. So go ahead, experiment with different protein sources and find the ones you like best. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content. See you next time.